Welcome from Freddie and myself to another process video. What is a flow journal? What is a fabric flow journal? And shall we make ourselves a little mini fabric flow journal to help us with our slow stitch fabric journal? Let me pull you closer and I'll show you how, just with that little scrap of fabric left over from last week in a box, we'll make a fabric flow together. Let's have a closer look at Melanie's fabric flow journal. It's got string, or you can use elastic, and you just thread the fabrics through, and it means you can just flip through and snip when you're doing your slow stitching or your any stitching. It's lovely. They're all gorgeous fabrics here. Some of these fabrics, I'm very fortunate, come from all over the world. Thank you so much for sending them to me, and thanks for the idea, Maljoy. I've got a little mini one here. Do you remember? There was one of those pieces left of that fabric we used last week. I've got a bit of cake box as a lining. We had angel slices when Julia came on Friday evening. Delicious. I've got this bits for my journal, paper journal, and I've just cut off a piece just as a lining to make it a bit stronger. I've also got a little piece along the spine of cardboard as well. It's just going to make it that little bit stronger. Maljoy glued hers, so if you haven't got a sewing machine or don't want to get your sewing machine out, don't worry. Seraphina's helping me today. That's it, pop the foot down. There we are. And I think I've left the outside of the cardboard because I think that'll be a nice memory. Gonna just do that. And there we are, our little mini flow journal. Let's find some elastic, shall we? There we are. So now I'm just going to wind the elastic. It's nice and oh, that didn't come to that. Oh, I think I'm going to chop it off because it's going to, yeah, it'll fold it down like that. Yeah, let's chop it off here. We're experimenting together, aren't we? Now don't you worry. I will use these bits in my, where is that? Put it down somewhere. Oh, here it is. Silly me. I will use this as part of my garden. Ah, yes. In my little house journal, fabric journal. Oh, lovely. Oh, those will come in really handy. Great. Oh, it's even more dinky. Oh, I love that. Mr. Kipling slices. And let's get that elastic. And, oh, this is cute. Oh, we can't resist making small things, can we? I knew I'd find a use for this leftover one. I forgot to sew it in last week, didn't I? If you didn't see that, I'll leave a link about me making the little fabric journal. That's it. I'm making more little houses to go inside it. Got that one. Got the gardens coming on. And this one, it's a forget-me-not garden. Maybe it's where the little robin lives. We'll see. It's a little forget-me-not when a robin appears a loved one is near. This one little piece here is made from tablecloth my mum embroidered. And then Julia just handed me, last time she was here, this little forget-me-not. So, yes, it's coming on. I'm enjoying doing it. Look, while I was chatting, I tied a knot in there. And then all you need to do is find the smallest scrips and scraps and put them in. So next time I come to do some slow stitching, I've got a little supply of fabrics to put on there. Oh, it's lovely. I know some of you were making oh look, I've got some wadding just in case I need that for the houses. Yeah. There. Oh, that's wonderful. Doesn't have to be neat because we're going to take them out and use them. Has anyone ever had there's a magazine, FLW, Flow magazine for paper, isn't there? Here we are. Oh, lovely. Let me show you how I set up for making the houses. Oh, thanks, Colin. Poor little Colin, the bit of the face has fallen off. We're mending that. We're going to glue it. We've got to glue Colin. In my little stitch to go bag. Oh, look, I've already got some fabrics in. I can put my fabric flow, some threads, and oh yeah, needles. There we are. And I can be on the go even if it's just to the garden. There we are. Oh, it's such a pretty colour. Oh, yeah.
Look at you, you're covered in seeds. I can't even rip it out.
Thank you so much for joining us this week. We do appreciate you. I hope you find a way to express your creativity and calm your minds this week, whether it's your slow stitching or a little bit of gentle art or journaling. Flo's looking splendid, isn't she? I love your hair like that. It's nice to have it up, isn't it, when it's hot weather. Oh, let me show you my crochet. Do you remember me buying this yarn when we were in Swanage, weren't we? In the charity shop, in the Oxfam charity shop, they sell some fair trade items, and this was banana palm yarn, and I made a bowl this week. Oh, I went to the Garwood charity shop this week and I got this dress. I was so pleased with it. Go and say hi, that's it. We like a shop where Freddie's welcome. I like this dress. I know, are we going to get some more? I mean, how many items we bought? Oh, thank you, darling. We bought real Kilner jars. We bought 3 things in and, oh, what are we like?
3 things out.
Yeah. No. Shall we light a candle? Yeah, let's do that. Let's just have a little quiet, thoughtful moment, shall we? Yes. A little bit of calm time in a chaotic world. Take care, everyone. Bye. Go. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely jubbly. Do you remember doing this with your mum, Jeff? No. No?
Oh, it's ready.
It's not easy to do. Ben, feel that. It's banana
Oh,
palm.
wow.
Yeah.
Oh, where's that from then?
Well, do you know, I'm not sure of the country of origin. It was from the Oxfam shop in Swanage.
Ah, some Swanage.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
nice.
I'm making some sort of little dish of some sort.
Mm.
Oh,
Oh,
thanks.
okay. Let me get you in as well.
Thank you.
Cut now.
Action. Safe journey, happy now. Thanks, Nikki.